Hello everyone! Today we'll discover how anyone using Solidworks can leverage collaborative tasks on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to manage both simple and intricate updates without the need for full change management. Let's dive in and see how it all works. Here I am in Solidworks with the brake assembly open. We've identified an issue with the caliper design, and we need to make some revisions. Thanks to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, making these updates has never been easier. First, I'll select the caliper part and lock it, as well as the brake assembly to signal to the team that I'm working on these components. With everything locked, I'll close the assembly and head over to the compass. Under the Collaborative Industry Innovator role, I'll search for the Collaborative Tasks app. Now I'm looking at the list of tasks, and I'll select the Revise Caliper 2 task. This task contains all the relevant information, and I'll set its maturity state to In Work to notify the task owner that I'm actively working on it. I can also adjust parameters like the estimated duration for this task. Additionally, there's an attachment included with the task, so I don't need to hunt for the necessary data. I can simply drag it into my session directly from the task panel, making it easy to review the part. To streamline my work, I'll unpin the action bar for quick access. Now, as a SolidWorks designer, I'll make the necessary adjustments to the caliper part. After completing the changes, I'll return to the In Work task. Instead of opening the task, I'll drag the updated part onto it. The system recognizes that since the task is in work, whatever I drag there is treated as a deliverable, not just an attachment. You'll see the updated file appear under the Deliverables category, and I can then mark the task as complete. When I check the brake assembly, I can see that the revision has automatically updated within the assembly. After making these modifications, I'll save the changes back to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Finally, I'll unlock the parts I was working on, making them available to the team again. This quick example demonstrates how you can efficiently manage and implement changes directly in SolidWorks, using collaborative tasks for minor updates. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.